Good news to all diasporians in the UAE. Good news for you all. Yes, again, the Jex Institute is here to announce to you and invite you all to come and attend our 8th graduation. Remember, from the time of the inception of the school, Jex Institute, from 2022 till today, we've been graduating people every 4 months. This time around, we are getting to the 8th graduation. It's gonna be on the 30th of November 2025. Yes, and you're all invited. All expatriates should be at Hughes Hotel. Hughes Hotel is the building next to us here in Al Baraha. You can come on the 30th, please, and attend our graduation. We're going to graduate people, the baristas and roasters that have completed their course in the months of August, September, October, and November itself. They're going to be getting their diploma certificates, and of course they will be celebrated. Many of them are already working. We are grateful to God and to the community of expatriates that are giving them jobs, the different cafes and hotels. Thank you so much for absorbing our baristas and roasters, giving them jobs. We appreciate you a big time. Jex Institute is calling on you. My brother, my sister, you, wherever you are watching me from, could be on visit visa or you are on employment visa. How I ask humbly that you enable yourself, be off on the 30th of November. It's gonna be a very big day. It's important that expatriates get to understand how it is important. It's good for us to celebrate the milestones we get ourselves to. So many people have been encouraged to come and do these courses, vocational courses to do with coffee brewing and coffee roastery. Our brothers and sisters, cousins, nephews, girlfriends, boyfriends, wives and husbands, make it a point to come and celebrate with us on that day. All you need to do is to come with a 50 dirham. Why 50 dirham? The school is already paying for your buffet. Yeah, the buffet served at Hughes Hotel is at 100 dirham. The school is paying 50% for you, and we only kindly request you that you pay a 50 dirham, which is 50%. It's all you need to come with. And then for the baristas, come ready to be well dressed in your gowns and be ready to receive your graduation certificates. It's the Jex Institute for you. Let's all be there. Let's all be there at Hughes Hotel on the 30th of November.